everyone, we're going to sketch the region enclosed by the curve y equals x minus 2 squared and the line y equals x. We're going to integrate with respect to x and find the area of the region. So first, let's find any intersection points for these. So we have y equals y, therefore x minus 2 squared, let me just write that out. That's going to be x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals x. So we're going to get x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. Therefore, when you factor, you're going to get x minus 1 times x minus 4 equals 0. So x equals 1 or x equals 4. Now, if x is 1, if we just look at this, our y is also going to be 1. And if x is 4, our y is also going to be 4. So let's sketch the graph. All right. We have y equals x. So that's going to be just this line right in here. And then we have y equals x minus 2 squared. Okay, so that's a parabola that opens up that's shifted to the right by 2. So there's your 2. And the y-intercept is 4. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes up here. So let me try to do a little sketch. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a sketch. All right, so I'm going to make my green line a little bigger. But anyway, the intersection points are happening at, we'll call this 1, 1. And this we'll call 4, 4. And we're just trying to get the idea of the region that we are going to integrate to find the area. All right, I'm going to draw a little approximating rectangle here. So the upper part, this is going to be our change in x. Our upper part, if I drew a rectangle, what we're doing is, if I draw a rectangle inside here, what would it look like? Like that. So basically the upper part's going to be the green line, like this. And the lower part is going to be this yellow. So that's going to be like, kind of like this. Again, just sketches. So since we're integrating with respect to x, we're looking at the upper minus the lower. The upper is the green, which is this one. So you're going to do x minus the lower, and the lower is this one. So it's going to be x minus 2 squared. And that's how we're going to set up our integration as we go from 1, because this is where it starts, 1 to 4. From this part right here. So let's do that. We're going to have our area equals the integral from 1 to 4. And then we're going to have x minus 2 squared dx. Let's simplify this as the integral from 1 to 4, negative x squared plus 5x minus 4 dx. I just expanded that a bit. All right, so let's integrate this, and we're going to get negative 1/3 x cubed plus 5/2 x squared minus 4x. And we're evaluating from 1 to 4. All right, so now let's substitute in 4. This gives me negative 64 divided by 3. And plug it in there, we're going to get 40. And in here we get minus 16. Now substitute in for your 1. You're going to get negative 1/3 plus 5/2 minus 4. All right, you can put all this in the calculator if you want. or do it, get your common denominators, but you're going to end up getting 9 divided by 2 equals your area. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.